Bentley's Rail Predictive Maintenance solution enables rail maintainers to more effectively target maintenance and renewal activities. Rail Predictive Maintenance combines asset and measurement data to target the right work in the right place at the right time. Track maintenance is the largest individual expense for rail owner-operators today. Improving maintenance decisions reduces costs and increases safety by minimizing time spent on site, which also reduces disruption to train services. Traditionally, track maintenance has been a reactive process, resolving and correcting issues during normal rail network operations. Advances in measurement and analytical techniques enable owners to monitor deterioration and effectively identify when failures may occur. Combining these predictions with other asset information allows appropriate maintenance to be scheduled before the asset fails. Bentley's solution for rail predictive maintenance provides an integrated environment where operational and maintenance information can be applied to make better informed maintenance decisions. Data visualization enables asset managers to better understand and view the behavior of your assets. Your decisions are only as good as the data they are based on. Bentley's Rail Predictive Maintenance solution includes capabilities to validate data quality automatically, calculating asset deterioration through condition trending and prediction analysis allows maintenance engineers to make decisions to support maintenance activities. As a result, important data is available wherever you need it, in the office or on site. Let's look at a couple of successful projects. In the UK, Network Rail required a solution to improve the data used to inform maintenance decisions by bringing together all of the available data sets. Network Rail's Linear Asset Decision Support System, based on Bentley's Rail Predictive Maintenance solution, delivers data from 14 separate source systems directly to engineers, including track history and predicted deterioration. The solution is expected to deliver cost savings of over £100 million over the next 4 years. CSX uses Bentley's Rail Predictive Maintenance capabilities to make data-driven decisions about capital work requests, enabling faster and better operational decisions. Bentley's solution for rail predictive maintenance enables you to understand rail asset condition, improving maintenance decisions, predict asset deterioration, to help optimize maintenance schedules, and allows you to access data wherever it adds the most value, in the office or on site.